Well, Gareth, it's the start of another campaign with Wales, Andorra away. Does it still bring a sense of excitement, anticipation?
Yeah, definitely. I think for all of us, the start of every campaign, it gives us a chance to qualify, and I think this campaign more than any other is more exciting. We feel we have a great chance. We have a team that's been together for a while. We have a lot of confidence, and obviously the more teams can qualify now. So yeah, it gives us a lot of confidence going in, and when we hope we can take with both hands.
And I think this year maybe you were more in a relaxed frame of mind. 12 months ago it was pretty chaotic for you, wasn't it? Rushing here, there and everywhere.
Yeah, definitely. It's much better to be relaxed and being able to concentrate on football purely, and yeah, just looking forward to everything ahead now, and hopefully we can get off to a good start.
What's it like with the Andorra game? I mean, we're strong favourites. We haven't been in that position too often in recent years. Does that increase the pressure in a way?
No, I don't think so. I think we want to win every game we go into, whether we're underdogs or favourites. So yeah, we'll be looking forward to the game, going into it 100% concentrated, and looking to get the 3 points, which is vital to get off to a good start in the groups.
In the media, in the press, a lot has been made of the 3G pitch, a new pitch. As players, do you just put that to one side?
Yeah, I think you have to. Obviously, there's a lot of talk about it. Obviously, certain players and people don't like it, which is normal. But at the end of the day, we have a job to do. We're playing for our country, no matter where it be, what it be on. We're going to give 100% and try to win the game, which is the most important thing.
For you, I mean, I think it's quite incredible. You're still seen as a young player, but I think you've been around the squad now about 9 years, haven't you? When you're 16, I mean, you're one of the elder statesmen. I mean, time's gone so quick, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's flown by. Yeah, I remember coming into the squad and always the youngest. Now I feel like I'm one of the oldest all the time. But no, it shows the goodness of the squad. Everybody's young. Everyone's been here together for 5, 6, 7, 8 years now, and yeah, we feel like we're getting to a stage where we need to start producing now, and yeah, hopefully the time is right and we can really kick on and qualify for a major tournament.
In terms of the tournament itself, the group itself, are you quite confident? As you said, 3 places up for grabs now. You're quite confident this time?
Yeah, definitely. I think we have to be confident, otherwise there's no point in being in here. So yeah, we feel like we have a good team. We feel we're playing good football. We have the right staff around us, and everything's put in place for all that to happen. So yeah, the main thing now is we have to do the job on the pitch, which is obviously the ultimate thing that we have to do, and we're looking forward to it.
And you know, if we start winning, the crowds come back. You've recently played at the Cardiff City Stadium in the Super Cup with Real Madrid. I mean, that was fantastic, wasn't it, seeing the whole stadium sold out like that? Yeah,
it was amazing, and yeah, the fans in Cardiff have always been amazing, the ones who've turned up, and yeah, we hope we can have fuller stadiums in all the home games to support us. We feel like we can qualify. I think a lot of people feel we can qualify this time, and hopefully we can get more support at the stadium to get fans there to cheer us on and push us over the line.